Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our Hajj guidance series. Today we are going to talk about Ihram and all the rules and regulation that come with it. First things first is a state of purity that pilgrims must enter before performing the Hajj and Umrah. It involves wearing two pieces of cloth, one wrapped round the waist and the other over the shoulders. And this simple attire symbolizes equality and unity among all pilgrims. Now, let's talk about some important rules and regulations regarding Ihram. Firstly, during Ihram, pilgrims are not allowed to cut their hair or nails, using perfume or scented products, and also engaging in sexual activities or hunting animals are not allowed. These restrictions are meant to symbolize detachment from worldly desires and a focus on spiritual purification. Additionally, there are certain activities that are prohibited during Ihram. For example, the pilgrims, they cannot engage in any fighting or arguments, as this goes against the spirit of peace and harmony that the Hajj represents. And it's important to remember that Ihram is a sacred state that requires utmost respect and attention. And pilgrims must be mindful of their actions and their words during this time, as any violation of the rules can result in penalties or even disqualification from completing the Hajj. So there we have it, a brief overview of Ihram and its rules and regulations. And remember to approach this sacred state with humility and humbleness, and may your pilgrimage be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in for our next video in the Hajj guidance series. Jazakallah khair.